And let's tell our viewers, we are just building up to that big expose yet again. More layers to that story, as Abhishek would also really recall. Abhishek, this is just the beginning. And look at what's happening to the Congress party. The Congress party is getting rattled. They come out, they throw papers now at the chair. Is this how an opposition, a responsible opposition would want to behave? Right when the Congress Vice President and President Abhishek, we are given to understand, was sitting in the House?
Well, significant beginning, Deepti, the fact that someone in the parliament has taken note of whatever we have done in the last 24 hours and so strongly, in fact, it's clear that now a ball has been set in motion which is going to have its own set of repercussions. The most immediate of which perhaps would be that CBI might really want to pick up threads from where it left in 2005, obviously under pressure from the government.
I'll just interject you here because if we look at those visuals, I believe full frame, and if our producers can actually play those visuals that we were just playing out before, full frame, at the extreme right, you will see Sonia Gandhi sitting there. Look at the ruckus her MPs are creating, Abhishek, right in her presence. Why? Because this is the issue of Bofors. What happens to democracy now?
Diversionary tactics. Diversionary tactics. Absolute diversionary tactics, Deepti. It's clear that they anticipated that this might happen given the kind of coverage that is happening on the issue. And that is why they wanted to shift the focus on lynchings, an issue which has already been discussed in the Lok Sabha. And the Rajya Sabha has already allotted time for it. So it is clear that despite the issue having been discussed, they kind of tried to rake it up because they thought that Bofors would come up, and that's something which is an Achilles heel, which is something which really embarrasses them.
All right, Abhishek, Editor-in-Chief Arnab is back with us. Yes, Arnab?
No, I think I don't know. I want an update from Parliament as to whether I got a message that Rahul Gandhi, while leaving Parliament, made a comment. Maybe Aishwarya has more details on that, and Aditya, a reporter in Parliament, had some more details on that. So I wanted an update on what Rahul Gandhi said. Do you have an update on it? Or what he said?
Yes, Arnab.
What did he say? What did they say?
Yes, I can.
Absolutely, Arnab. That's the latest coming in. Congress Vice President Rahul Gandhi has broken his silence on this massive reportage and investigation led by Republic TV and, of course, Chitra Subramaniam. Rahul Gandhi, while leaving the parliament premises, told the reporters out there that for how long will they continue to raise, he meant BJP, and he said they can continue to raise this for the next 30 years. So clearly, Rahul Gandhi trying to give a feeling that this does not bother him at all. Congress will not come out with any kind of statement. But
no, he said this in Parliament while going. I just want to share this with you, Chitra. We're just getting news from Aditya, our associate editor, that while leaving Parliament, Rahul Gandhi said that how long will they keep raising this? They've raised it for 30 years. I mean, will they raise it for the next 30 years? Or something to that effect. I mean, I think it sounds extremely snobbish and arrogant. What do you think, Chitra?
Who is they?
This is Rahul Gandhi said that they have been raising.
Who is they?
Exactly. Chitra's response to Rahul Gandhi with us right now. Chitra's response to Rahul Gandhi live here right now. Rahul Gandhi, hear this from Chitra Subramaniam. She's responding to you.
Yeah, this is not us and they. We are all of, it is India. And who is they? Who on earth is they? You are also part of the they.
Absolutely. I mean, this is just horrible. I mean, if this is the response, the non-factual, arrogant, snobbish kind of a response, but it seems to me it's also a nervous response.
Yes.
He should actually hold a press conference, say, I'm going to answer.
He should just join the call to open the boxes and clear his father's name once and for all.
Absolutely.
Because he's also a part of the they.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah. Aditya, tell us more about this. Thank you. Thank you, Chitra.
Well, absolutely. Immediately after Meenakshi Lekhi and Nishikant Dubey raised this issue, this massive investigation by Republic TV and Chitra Subramaniam, there should have been some response from the Congress. But instead, what happened, both Sonia Gandhi, the President of Congress, and Rahul Gandhi, the Vice President, left the parliament premises. Perhaps they were embarrassed. Perhaps they couldn't face this embarrassment anymore inside the parliament. They left the parliament premises, but they were, in fact, asked this question while leaving the parliament premises. Unfortunately, it was not on camera. But Rahul Gandhi, responding to the question, said that they have been raising this for 30 years. For how long will they continue to raise this? Let them raise it for the next 30 years. So clearly, a blatant, brazen out response from Rahul Gandhi, who does not seem to be bothered.
You don't even know what's going to hit you next.
Damning and stinging allegations from the chief investigator.
As far as Rahul Gandhi is concerned, he should be factual in his responses. We are working on breaking more news on the story.